Here we have a pie chart of the books in Midway Memorial Library. There are 125,600 books. They're asking here, what percent are some type of fiction? So as I look at my chart over here, I see nonfiction, I see adult fiction, so that's 35 there. I need to take that into account. But it's not just adult fiction, it's some type of fiction. So I keep going. Reference, that's not fiction. Other, probably not. Children's fiction, that is definitely fiction. So I have to add this 22% into the 35%. Add them together, get my answer, 57%. What percent are nonfiction or reference? So now I find my nonfiction, 25%, and I add to that the percentage that are reference books. So that's the 17% there. Add that together, and I get 42%. What is the second largest category? So looking at this, I look at my numbers. 25 and 35 are the biggest two numbers. 25 is the second largest. So my answer here is nonfiction. The next questions that they're asking us are, how many of these 125,600 books are nonfiction? How many of them are reference? How many of them are reference or other? So now I need to actually use this along with my percent, whatever it may be, and my part over whole is percent over 100. So I have my part over the whole is percent over 100. Putting that to work, nonfiction, that's 25%. So that goes where the percent goes, over the 100. The 125,600, that is my whole. And then I have my part. I don't know what that number is. I have to use my calculator. So I grab my calculator. I do my cross multiply. So 125,600 times 25. And then I divide that number by 100 equals, and it's telling me 31,400. So 31,400 books. I have to repeat this process for reference. So again, I have my part over whole as percent over 100. Same thing that I did there, but I find my reference here. That's 17% this time. So I have my unknown part over 125,600 equals, reference is 17% over the 100. I do my cross multiply, and then I divide. So I have 125,600. 125,600 times 17 equals, and then divide out of that 100 equals. And this is telling me that my part is 21,352. So 21, comma, 3, 5, 2 books. The next question is asking about reference or other. So now I have to take my 17% and my 3% over here. I have to add them together, and that's giving me 20%. I have my unknown part. My whole is 125,600. The 100 is always 100. And then I have the 17 plus the 3 gives me 20 there. Multiply, cross multiply. So 125,600 times 20, 125,600 times 20. And then I divide that by 100. So divide by 100 equals 25,120 books. And that's how you do this type of problem. Any questions?